Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to breed Faleris on Palworld. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to see or check for any article on the internet so you can see all the possible combination so you can be able to breed your pals. And basically, I'm just going to show you this Game 8 wiki where it has all the playword Palworld workthrough in the guides wiki. And basically for our pal, we will need to see all the combinations. And basically here in the list of contents, we can find the location where we can find our Faleris and of course the elements in some detail about this path. And for the breeding, you will need just to go to how to breed, and basically it will show you all the parents, how you can have the breeding, and of course the best way to use Faleries in breeding or all the combination which Faleries can have some other pals. And basically, as you can see, those are the only way of uh, Palworld or the Pal Faleris to breed. And you can also just go through the breeding combos calculator and you can just search for the one that you want. And those are only the combos that you have. And of course, for any breeding, you will need just to have an egg incubator. You will need to have a breeding farm and supply cake to charge or to run the farm. So basically, those are some requirements for the farm. You will need just to be at least on the level 19, and you will need those requirements. And of course, also to hatch your eggs, you will need just an egg incubator. And here you can see the requirements for this item. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.